In this tutorial we will learn how to control a DC motor speed and direction with a potentiometer. For this project you will need a DC motor, dual H-bridge L298N motor driver, a battery for the motor and Arduino. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to Visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add dual DC motor driver digital. Connect Arduino analog 0 to dual motor driver 1 pin 0. Connect dual motor driver 1 pin direction B to Arduino digital pin 2. Connect dual motor driver 1 pin SPIDA to Arduino digital pin 3. Click on the Send to Arduino button. In Arduino make sure you selected the board and port, then click on the Upload button.